disappoint you or let you down? Should I be feeling guilty or let the judges frown? 'Cause I saw the end before we'd begun. Yes, I saw you were blind and I knew I had won. So I took what's mine by eternal right, took your soul out into the
Sexy Back, JT, 2006, DJ Lever, JT, Sexy Back.
I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah. The mother boys don't know how to act. Yeah. I think it's special, it's behind your back.